Right, guys, in this lesson we're focusing on BODMAS and still calculator skills. Now I'm going to talk more about BODMAS. Okay, we have a look here. Right, the word BODMAS means we have B for brackets O of, you're used to this, guys, D for division, M for multiplication, then we have A for addition, and we have S for subtraction. Now I'm going to talk of full BODMAS. What I did before, I just talked of order of operation. Now I'm going to talk fully about BODMAS. Now, example 1. Looking at this, calculate 2 plus 4 over 3. Now, this is a challenge, guys. I know that on your calculator, most guys will go 2 plus 4 divided by 3 without using any form of brackets. But if we come back here and look at the sum, if you look at this sum, you have 2 plus 4. They are treated as one term on the numerator. So what do you do if you look at this? I'm going to form brackets here. You form your brackets, 2 plus 4. This is the top value. So you have 2 over there. Okay, then you have your 4 over there. You deal with them first, then you get 2. Let's look at this. 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 divided by 3 is 2. Or, on your calculators, guys, if you look at this, you have this button here. Okay? If your calculator has this button, you can set this button, and inside this box you write 2 plus 4, you tab it, and then here you write 3. Then you get the answer. But write the individual answers. Like if you put this, here you'll have 6, then underneath you'll have 3. Then your answer will come up as 2. You can use this or brackets like this. Cool. But what you must know, guys, is remember that 2 plus 4 divided by 3 is not operated the same way as, it's not going to give you the same answer as that. We use brackets here, but if you leave out the brackets, these brackets will show that these two terms go together in the numerator. But if you're doing this, this means, if I'm to highlight this, guys, this one means 2 plus 4 over 3. It means that. It doesn't mean that. It's something different. Cool. Now, looking at the next example, guys, if we have a look at the next example, you calculate the following using a calculator. Okay, you have this mixed fraction. This is mixed fraction, another mixed fraction. How to work this out on a calculator? You can first convert to improper fractions, or depending on the question, you can put this on the calculator, and then you will get 104 over 15, or 6 and 14 over that, or 6.933 on a calculator. If you turn this, guys, to a mixed fraction, what do we do? I mean to an improper. From mixed to improper. 3 times 2 plus 1, you get 7 over 3 plus. Okay, this is my plus here. Plus 4 times 5 is 20 plus 3. And then you have 23 over 5. And now you put this on the calculator, surely you must get the same answers there. Okay, cool. Now, we look at example 3. Now we have the combination. We have signs, we have brackets, we have powers, which is 3 squared in this case. Now, remember the BODMAS says start with the brackets. Now I'm talking fully about BODMAS. Start with brackets, come to division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. Now, in this case, I'm going to start here. Have a look. I'm going to start here. 125 minus 55, because I added this 2. 16 plus 39 is 55. Then I have divided by 10 plus 9. From there, I must come here. This is my division. It's where I must go first. So, 55 divided by 10, what do I get? If you look at that, 55 divided by 10, you get 5.5. Then you still keep your plus 9, you keep your minus there. And then from there, you can use your calculator. As I said, guys, previously, as I said, addition and subtraction, any sign or any operation can be done first. Okay, even if you have BODMAS, but you can do your subtraction first. Then you have the final answer as 128.5. So this is how BODMAS works. Right, we're now on example 4. We have this sum here. Have a look here. We have calculate negative 2 squared plus that. If you just read this, guys, look how complicated it looks, but it's not. If we start small, guys, we're going to work out this. Negative 2 squared, this will come minus 4. Use a calculator there. And then plus, if you look at this, we said the cube root of 8 on a calculator gives you 2, but you keep your square out. Of means times, then 3 squared, then you square it up. 3 squared is 9, then you have squared divided by, and then if you have your calculator and you work out the fourth root of 625, then you get 5. And then from there, you just work like negative 4 plus 4, then you have 81 divided by 5. And then you put that on your calculator, guys. Then you have plus 4 times 81. Now you can put everything on the calculator. There you go. You get your final answer 304 divided by 5. You can leave your answer there. Guys, see you in the next lesson. See you. Cheers.